What's up? Welcome to another episode of Supercar Twins. It's your boy R.
And Laquan.
So today we're at Chevrolet, Bridgewater Chevrolet to be specific. So we're at the dealership today to see the tour of the C8 Corvette with thousands of people expected to come.
About 3,000.
Yeah. So today we came to get you guys a closer look. Being in Atlantic City was a little crazy and hectic, and there's a lot of chaos, so we couldn't get in the car and we couldn't get anybody a pretty good view of the car at all. So came here today to get you guys a closer look.
We'll be able to sit in the car, both driver and passenger side. We'll be able to show you more about the car. We'll actually be able to touch the car. We couldn't touch it last time. Couldn't even breathe on it.
And you guys make sure you stay tuned to the episode. We are going to do something, both me and this guy, we're going to do something pretty serious. So, I mean, everyone's doing the C8.
Are you going to put a deposit in for this car?
I don't know. Well, I think they should stay tuned and see what we do.
All right, let's see then. Stay tuned, y'all.
And welcome to the all-new mid-engine Corvette. My name is Richard. I'm your Corvette specialist here on tour today, and we are so thrilled that you guys are with us here today. We are all very well aware of this. So whatever you guys had to do to be here today, through the call out of work sick, get a sitter for the kids, or worse, if you had to cancel your golf tee time to come down here today to see the truck that can fit 2 full sets of golf clubs in it, thank you. Very grateful that you guys are here. And to say further thank you, Bridgewater Chevrolet, who's giving an awesome incentive today you guys should know about. Any vehicles purchased today, you get free oil changes for life. Hopefully we all live really long. That'd be an awesome deal there. And your first payment on the vehicle is on the house too. That is really special as well. A couple thank yous to say. Please help me, guys. Thank Bridgewater Chevrolet for bringing this experience to you, giving you guys a chance to please join me with 2 special people to thank. Our professional vehicle handler, Steve, just here in front of me. Give Steve a round of applause here. On the road, Jeff is around here somewhere. Give Jeff a round of applause. Just back there. Making sure you guys all get this awesome experience and check out the car today. A couple of little boring housekeeping notes. We have 1 car on the road with us for 6 months, guys, so please be careful of your watches, your rings, your belt buckles, any jewelry. We want to avoid as many scratches on the car as possible. Now to the car. As you guys know, this has been one of the most anticipated vehicle unveilings in recent automotive history, I think in the last 20 years. How many of you guys here live streamed the unveiling a week and a half ago? All right. That says it all. I'm so thrilled to bring it here for you guys today. We're expecting attendance of well over 1,000, I believe, last I heard. We want to make sure all of you guys have enough time to check out the car, sit inside, check out our display here, and of course ask as many questions as you have for the day. So, without any further ado, we would like to show you the mid-engined 2020 Corvette Stingray.
Oh my Lord. Go ahead. Hey, she built one.
Good.
We were ready on. She's the one that designed
You're a
it.
lucky man. You're a
Built
lucky man.
Here's my wife. This is the build out.
Let's see what you got here.
Build out.
here we are again with the options. Got the all season. Got the summer tires. There you go.
We usually trash it.
Let's go.
Ready to go? Saddles feel good. Very awesome.
All right, where are we going?
Let's go to California.
I'm on board. Well, people are taking our pictures. Should we smile?
Everything feels solid.
We're heading to California.
Real beautiful.
I better let somebody else. Oh wait, not yet, because I just want to see.
Press the button on the thing.
No, I
Consider how many people.
Wait, so tell us what you just said, man.
So the new Z06 should be a 4.2 twin turbo, anywhere between 725 to 735 horsepower.
Y'all heard it first, man. We're at the dealership, at the event, press release for the C8. Our buddy Eric here is running things right now.
Yep.
So
Z06.
Z06. So y'all heard it first. We're not in line for no C8. We are in line for the Z06. We are 4 and 5 on the list. Is that confirmed, Rashawn?
That's definitely confirmed.
So there it is.
It changed the whole ballgame. When they went to the Nuremberg track and set all kinds of records from the factory, everything else had to readjust. So like I said,
So they're keeping up with the
exposing
times.
other brands.
Yeah,
Correct.
we're keeping up with the times all in the
And
process.
for the money, can't. We're competing with supercars now.
It's gonna expose a lot of people, man.
Done
We
deal.
just talking about how this car is just gonna flip the game,
Change the
upside
game.
down.
Game changer.
I mean, for this mid-engine to be under $100,000 and with the look and performance at stock, change the ballgame.
So there you have it.
Excited.
Y'all stay tuned. My boy Bobby, we at Chevy right here. Just had to get him a little shout out for the channel. He over here working hard at Bridgewater Chevrolet. Y'all make sure y'all come pay him a visit.
Just give me a buzz. I'll be glad to help out. Any questions, any car, but I do specialize in Corvettes. Look forward to working with y'all.
Y'all make sure y'all holler at him. I'll make sure I put his information in the description. So we were able to come here and do what we needed to do. We were here to get some more footage of the car for you guys. We realized that the first time we shot the car for you guys. It wasn't as, you know, we couldn't get as close to the car. We saw Richard from, you know, when we were in Atlantic City, and he even told us, you know, they apologized for not being able to let people get into the car, and, you know, a lot of people had beef with that. So I think people should just realize, you know, they're just trying to, you know, wrangle crowds of thousands and thousands of people to come and see this car and at least get a fair chance at looking at it. When they do their tour cities, local dealerships, that's when you're going to have your chance to actually come and experience the car hands-on. You'll be able to sit it, you'll be able to go driver's side, passenger side, you know, you'll be able to open the engine, the frunk. It's a way better experience, and I'm telling you guys, it's a beautiful car. I mean, here's some things you should know about this tour. So something that Richard told us is Chevrolet, your local Chevrolet dealership has to pay for this tour. So if they don't pay for this tour,
You're not gonna see this car.
experience this. So does your Chevy dealership love you? That's the question. Ours does, apparently, and they do pretty well with the Corvette sales. So that's the one thing you guys should all know. So that's the one thing. If you're clueless about where to go and see the car, find out what the best Chevrolet dealership or Corvette dealership is in your state.
They actually have a list of the touring dealerships on the website, so you can go on the Chevrolet Corvette website and find out what dealerships are going to be showcasing this car.
Yeah, so, but thank you guys for taking a look at the video. You know, me and Q came here just to, you know, get you guys a closer look at the car, the beast, the supercar. We're calling it a supercar. Calling it a supercar.
It's
yes.
definitely going to be supercar status. We didn't want the regular C8. We're going for the Gusto, so we'll see what the Z06s and the ZR1s are going to be doing. Yep. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.